books, thousands.
We actually invented skytyping.
I love it.
In about the early 70s.
All right.
We've been doing it ever since then.
Great job. Jim Record, you're going to be here to tell us all about it.
Thanks.
As they come back around. Also, still to come today, just so you folks are up to date, Ken Pietsch, the A-10 demo team, plus the Heritage Flight, Michael Golian, Shockwave, Johnny Tucker might sneak back in, and then the U.S. Navy Blue Angels will be here. Or if you like that young 8-year-old that was back there, the Blue Angles is what he called them. Turned him into a math problem. Fun stuff. Look at that. Ken Pietsch, right out there front and center, showing you how to land atop a U-Haul truck. That, my friends, is why Ken Pietsch should be sponsored by U-Haul. Ken Pietsch, gotta love him. I love watching Ken Pietsch. There he goes, bouncing down the runway. Come on, one more time. There you go, Ken. Now you have seen an airplane land atop a U-Haul.
Send it to my brother.
I think hashtag U-Haul life. I'm serious, Ken has done that at I don't know how many air shows. And the folks at U-Haul have never paid attention to that, and I guarantee you at some point it's going to be in the rental agreement that you can't land an airplane on a U-Haul.